few days ago, I created a poll here on my YouTube channel, and I have to say, the results genuinely shocked me. I simply asked, do you love or hate your craft space? And 30% of you said you hated it. 30%. We need to fix that. A craft space should be a happy place, a place where you feel inspired to create, a place filled with supplies that you love that are organized in a way that makes crafting easy. I've already shared a lot on the channel about organization, and I'll be sure to leave a bunch of resources in the description box below, including a link to a very special free event that would be perfect for you if you want to organize your space. From April 19th through to the 21st, the Paper Crafters Get Organized Summit is taking place, and you can attend the event absolutely free. Just click the link in the description box below to sign up. During the summit, you'll get access to 29 free sessions from creatives around the world. They'll share the how to organize your space and the why, the thinking behind their organizing techniques, so that you can apply them to your space. And guess what? I'm one of them. In this free event, you'll learn from the creatives the best tips and tricks for getting your craft room organized. Their goal is to help you create the space of your dreams and to give you tips and tricks that will work with the supplies that you have. And that means more time creating and less time organizing. You can watch all of the sessions for free, and there's a free Facebook group to join if you wish, for extra encouragement, support, and accountability. The free pass gives you 24-hour access to all of the sessions across the 3-day event, and you can grab yours by clicking the link below. There is so much to learn that I'd actually recommend upgrading to the Ultimate Organization Bundle. With this pass, you get lifetime access to the sessions, which means you can watch them at your leisure and reference them anytime in the future. You'll also get beautifully handwritten notes that you can reference along the way. So worth the upgrade price. But there's extra bonuses too. You'll get extra free courses, digital downloads, and gifts from the speakers. It's a crazy deal and well worth checking out. These downloads include a special SVG file bundle with some exclusive designs I created especially for the summit. You'll also get access to all of this immediately, so you don't have to wait for the summit to go live. And you can grab it at the best price if you sign up right now. Now, I'm sure you're wondering about my session. I'm super excited to be sharing how to make your small craft room functional and beautiful. It's a session that I've created especially for the summit. So even if you have watched my previous videos or joined my decluttering mini course, this session is filled with new ideas and tips and tricks that I know you'll love. This really is an amazing event that I'm super blessed to be a part of. Simply click the link in the description box below to learn more. You'll be emailed all of the details. It's all happening April 19th through to the 21st, and right now is the best time to grab your ticket. Let me know in the comments below if you'll be joining me. I cannot wait to get organizing with you. I'll see you all again very soon. Until then, bye.